Hi, this is Rebecca Newhouse with Vermont Country Campers, and today I'm sitting inside a beautiful, gently used Unity Class B. That's a van camper. So today we're going to start inside because she's fully loaded and clean and beautiful. 2010 Unity. So here we go. Inside she is beautifully equipped with only 27,000 gently used miles. She comes with a 3500 Onan generator, but her inside is a beauty to behold. Full galley, lovely sleeping space, full bathroom, refrigerator, microwave, and yes, seating with windows. As you look around this, just imagine walking through your van and getting ready in the morning in a full bathroom, lovely windows and TV and storage all in your sleeping compartment. More storage along with your lovely full-size refrigerator. And freezer. Back into your living space. Look at all that room. All in a van. A Unity 2010. Let's go outside. Beautiful exterior. Storage compartments. More storage. Backup camera. More storage compartments. Generator compartment. Water hookup. Propane hookup. Everything easily accessible. And one nice feature, your very safe gas compartment. So come on over to Vermont Country Campers and check her out. Take her for a test drive. It's a Unity 2010, just for you.